This is going to blow your mind. Aloe vera is the ultimate health hack. Ready to dive in? This humble plant, often found in the corners of our gardens or sitting quietly in a pot on our windowsills, holds secrets that can transform your health and wellness routine. Aloe vera isn't just a plant. It's a powerhouse of natural goodness. Imagine a single plant packed with over 75 active compounds, including vitamins, minerals, enzymes, amino acids, and antioxidants. It's nature's gift, packed with over 75 active compounds. Need better digestion? Aloe vera juice is a natural remedy that can help relieve constipation, soothe irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and even reduce acid reflux. Aloe vera juice helps relieve constipation, soothes IBS, and even reduces acid reflux. But that's not all. This miraculous plant also works wonders for your skin. Got skin woes? Aloe vera treats burns, fights acne, and keeps your skin young and glowing. Its soothing properties make it an excellent remedy for sunburns, minor cuts, and other skin irritations, and keeps your skin young and glowing. It's like having a spa day in a leaf. Imagine the luxury of a spa treatment, but in the comfort of your own home, using a natural product that's been trusted for centuries. It's like a spa day in a leaf. Boosting your immune system? Check. Aloe vera is rich in antioxidants and can even help your white blood cells fight infections. Boosting your immune system. Aloe vera is rich in antioxidants, which are crucial for protecting your cells from damage. These antioxidants help your body combat free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and boosting your overall health. Check. Aloe vera is rich in antioxidants and can even help your white blood cells fight infections. Say goodbye to plaque and mouth ulcers with aloe vera enhanced oral care, and can even help your white blood cells fight infections. Say goodbye to plaque and mouth ulcers with aloe vera enhanced oral care. Aloe vera's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent choice for maintaining oral health. And mouth ulcers with aloe vera enhanced oral care. Need a detox? Aloe vera juice supports liver health and balances your body's pH levels. Aloe vera juice supports liver health and balances your body's pH levels. The liver is a vital organ responsible for detoxifying your body, and aloe vera helps keep it functioning optimally and balances your body's pH levels. Managing blood sugar? Aloe vera can improve insulin sensitivity and lower bad cholesterol. Aloe vera can improve insulin sensitivity and lower bad cholesterol. This makes it a valuable ally for those managing diabetes or looking to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Dreaming of luscious locks? Aloe vera reduces dandruff, strengthens hair, and acts as a natural conditioner. Its moisturizing properties help keep your scalp healthy and your hair shiny and strong. And acts as a natural conditioner. And for pain relief, aloe's anti-inflammatory properties can ease joint and muscle pain. Whether you're dealing with arthritis or just sore muscles from a workout, aloe vera can provide natural relief. Aloe's anti-inflammatory properties can ease joint and muscle pain. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, aloe vera is your all-in-one health booster. Aloe vera is your all-in-one health booster. Remember, moderation is key. While aloe vera offers numerous health benefits, it's important to use it wisely and not overdo it. Always opt for pure organic products. This ensures that you're getting the highest quality aloe vera without any harmful additives or chemicals. Unlock the power of aloe vera and embrace a healthier you. By incorporating aloe vera into your daily routine, you can enjoy its myriad benefits and take a step towards a more natural and holistic approach to health and wellness. And embrace a healthier you. Aloe vera is truly a gift from nature, offering a simple yet powerful way to enhance your well-being. So why wait? Start your aloe vera journey today and discover the incredible benefits for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit the like button. It really helps us bring you more valuable content. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts, questions, or what topic you'd like us to cover next. We love hearing from you. Of course, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health tips and insights. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.